The Turmeric Latte is my all-time favorite warm winter drink. It is a huge hug in a mug, and I love to have one of these pretty much every afternoon. It gives me that warm, lovey-dovey feeling with a tiny hint of sweet, totally thwarting off any need for cookies or anything like that. And the amazing thing about this latte is it delivers in each full cup serving a half teaspoon of turmeric, plus a half teaspoon of ginger, plus a half teaspoon of cinnamon. With every sip, all these spices, it quite honestly sends the most powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory messages pulsing through your entire body and brain. Plus, the cinnamon enhances blood sugar regulation. We're talking a nutrient powerhouse, and oh so delicious. It can also pass as a healthy eggnog replacement. Just saying. Now, the recipe is on page 233 of the Eat Real cookbook, and it's at eatrealamerica.com and also posted below. Now, the special tip that I'm sharing is to show you how to make a week's worth of it very simply, so you can easily pour, heat, and drink at any time all week. Here's what you do. Remove roughly 2 cups from a half a gallon of milk. Remember, you're going to use almond milk, or you're going to use soy milk or coconut milk, any of those you can. In a separate measuring cup with a pouring spout, whisk together, or use a shaker bottle like this one that I'm going to use with a whisk ball. And we're going to put in the 1 tablespoon of turmeric, the 1 tablespoon of ginger, the 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 6 grinds of fresh ground black pepper. That makes the turmeric increase its effectiveness and its anti-inflammatory properties by over several thousand%. And then we're going to also use 3 tablespoons of this maple syrup, or honey if you prefer, and about a half a cup of the milk. So we'll pour in about that or more, it doesn't matter. Now I'm going to put the lid on this and I'm going to shake it. Shake, 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 shake. That whisker ball is so good. Now you can pour it back into this container with the rest of the milk, and then you shake that. Now that's about 6 servings in there, and it's ready to roll for you. Whenever you want to pour out a mug and heat it up in the microwave, you can do that. And add about 1 teaspoon of coconut puree into each serving. Now, I'm completely in love with this whole food ground coconut puree. It dissolves right in, making it rich and delivering a really good for you fat in just the right amount. Happy holidays to all of you. And to those who celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas.